Welcome back to the channels, guys. Something a little bit different today for me. Never normally do spraying of stuff, but thought I'd give the fog light surrounds a spray. Get rid of the grey and the silver. I'm not so keen on them because I won't be getting a Zunsport front grille. I'm going to practice on these. If I can get it right, I'll take the main bottom grille off, modify it, spray it black and put it on, see how it looks. First of all, I'm going to clean them all off with my Auto Finesse stuff, and then I'll dry them off, clean them, dry them and prep them ready for spraying. Might as well clean the inside as well. This is the Auto Finesse engine degreaser, so it should take all the crap off them. And I've gone for the high gloss Mk2, which is a good quality brand, for plastics and acrylics. Now to rinse them off. And before the wife finds out, I better rinse the table. So what I'm doing right now is I've got the can in a bowl of hot water, which is just temperature from the tap from my boiler, so it's not out of the kettle. The paint says it hardens between 15 and 25 degrees, so I'm going to be spraying outside, so I'm going to lift the temperature of the paint a little bit to help with the spray. This is what I've read on the internet. I'm sure somebody will correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. By all means do that, because I ain't gonna learn if nobody tells me. Alright, see you outside in a minute. Just gonna put the first layer on. Okay, so far I'm about to do the last coat, and I've got to say I'm actually quite pleased with these. I don't think that's a bad first attempt myself. No chrome, no grey left, which is absolutely brilliant. Last coat going on. These have turned out absolutely fantastic. Very impressed. Can't wait to put them back on the car. And like I said earlier on, I'm not buying a Zunsport lower grille. I am going to modify the original one, move the number plate, but that will be in a separate video. I'm really impressed actually. The chrome strips around the edge have gone really shiny. It's made it like a two-tone black. I'll show another video when I've fitted them. So there we have it, all fitted on. Looks absolutely stunning. You see the difference between the two colours of plastic now. But the front grille will be done in a separate video.